Hey everybody, welcome back to this super quick and simple episode. In the video last week, I promised a little extra content today, so I'm gonna keep it pretty concise because I gotta upload this to be released tonight. So today I wanna show you my Blackstone backpack. Apparently everything related to Blackstone Griddle, the griddle that we have, it's always pretty popular in our channel. Remember that I have a few videos related to Blackstone griddle and accessories. One of them is the actual review that we did a while ago. I'm gonna put a link right here. And we also have a review of the table, the GCI table that we use for our grill. I'm gonna also put the link to that in the description below, so check it out. So without further ado, let's check the backpack, and I'm going to also show you what I keep in my Blackstone bag. So let's check it out. All right, so here is the backpack. Pretty nice looking backpack, right? Feels really well made. Pretty thick, durable materials. The typical black and orange look of Blackstone. Nice Blackstone logo in the front. And a little flame in the back. Pretty strong straps. And the backpack straps are also quite strong. Really nice padded surface in the back. And a little belt that goes around your waist if you're planning to travel with it, like walk long distance with it, and a little more padded area here in the bottom. One more thing I like, these big side pockets. You can put your green propane bottles in here. They go in there perfect. And inside the bag, oh, one more thing. It has two different zippers. I don't know if you can see it. The top one is to extend the lid of the bag. In case you have the lid, the closing lid for your Blackstone griddle, this is gonna extend a little bit extra and you have no trouble with that. Let me open it, show you what I keep in here. When we go RVing, it has a little strap in here so the actual griddle stays nice and secure. All right, accessories. I keep two different hoses in my backpack. This one is to connect the griddle to a regular propane tank, those that you use for your barbecue. And this one has in one side the adapter to connect direct to the griddle, and on this side the quick connect terminal to connect it to the side of the RV. A few more accessories that I keep on this little side pouch inside. Let me see what I have in here. I have the little adapter for the green propane bottles. I have a little scraper. I use this especially to clean it when I finish. And inside here I have this collapsible grading tools. These ones still have the plastic on them. Take it off. But these ones are super awesome for travel because look how small they fold for traveling. So when you are ready to grill, you just open them and then you're good to go. Listen to that sound. Awesome. I also have this, which if you have been watching this channel lately, you know I have trouble pronouncing this word, so I'm not gonna try. Flashback. But you can tell that some of the things are just cheap. Cheap. How do you say it?
Eli has a hard time with sheep, cheap,
Yeah.
and ship.
Yeah. And also thumb.
Thong and tongue.
And what the ladies wear?
Thong.
Yeah.
What?
You didn't hear that.
End of flashback.
This thing. Overall, I love this bag. It's pretty well made. One cool thing that I like about it is that if I put this backpack in one hand, I have my GCI table, and the other one, I have a cooler. I have a few, two propane bottles here. You're good. You have your complete grilling station. You have your table, and you have the food in the cooler. So at the campground, if you get an invitation to, I don't know, a little potluck or to hang out at another site, you can totally walk in the campground with this configuration. It's pretty easy to store inside the RV. If your front storage bay is big enough, you can put it in there. I don't think ours is. I'm going to try it. I can put it with no problem in the back storage area of the RV. The place where I actually put it to travel. I don't know if you watched a video we made a while ago in which we turned our half of our storage bay in the back of the RV into a pet condo. We no longer have a dog, so now it's gonna be used for the griddle. Another thing, because of this format, you don't have to store your griddle flat. When you have this backpack, you can either put it like this, horizontal, or diagonal. So, pretty happy with it. I'm gonna put the link to this backpack in the description below. If you wanna buy it, maybe we'll get a little commission as well. So try to use the link if you like it. And that's what I have for you today. We are getting ready. Right here in front of me is our RV. And we are getting ready. We're going out tomorrow. We're gonna do a little bit of boondocking for one night. Then we are traveling way, way north. The northest we have been in Pennsylvania for RV camping. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Eli. This is RV East Coast. I'll see you next week.